how's everybody doing? I'm wondering if the chat is working. Let me know if you guys are here, because it seems like there's an error, at least YouTube telling me there's an error with the chat. So I don't know if that's true or not, but I'll try to do my best. All right, it seems like it's working. Hey, Marco, hello there. Jayden, what's up? All right, seems like it's working. Good morning, Skeptic Hash, hello. Yo, Martin Mushka, good to see you back. What's up? How's the morning? How's the day so far? Any trades? All is good, all is well. I was trying to go along earlier in the London session. It seems like it wants to go back down there again. Do we have some news, by the way? I think we have some news. Hey, Martin, the lunch? It was good. It was good. Let's see what news we have. We have existing home sales at 10. All right, and now it seems like we might be going lower. That is interesting. That is interesting. I did have a short position here on NQ now. I entered a few minutes ago, but I don't know if it wants to make it lower. But that's the only thing. Anyway. Merit X, hello, good morning. Martin, hello again. Welcome. It is definitely insane. I must tell you, this price action is a little bit insane. And Terry's here, everybody. Clap your hands. Terry, we have some good topics. One of our viewers, K-Bell, sent some really good ideas. I'm going to type it to you on Discord in the group chat with Nick. Really good ideas for debates. Yeah, I think you guys will like it. I will type it in. How's it going, Terry? How's it going? How was were you up in the London session, or any trades so far? Let us know. Let us know. We need some good trades. Oh, let's see. Much better. Up here. Okay. Good. Trying to smash and pass more evals. We like that. We love that. Smash and pass. Well, so far, so I was I was thinking that this will go higher to that 15-minute supply zone. Now it's just going lower, but there's a 5-minute demand zone pretty much in the middle. It's so hard to decide which way this wants to go. So hard. I don't know. And now it's going back. So my position is technically cooked. But it's only on an eval. Before you say anything, it's an evaluation account. I haven't traded any of my funded accounts today. Actually, I did. but just one. No copy trading. Just a little bit. Difficult market it is. Gold? Oh yeah, gold. Well, look at gold on the 5 minutes. Ugh. Terrible. Nothing on gold. Actually, we talked about gold in London session. It's not doing anything. Anything that we like. Anything that we would go with. So yeah, not much to do with it. Unfortunately. Okay. So nothing on gold for now. It is very difficult, Justin, right? Hey there. I heard so many issues with funding ticks. Yes, unfortunately, I did hear that too. And to be honest with you guys, and thank you for bringing that to my attention, I just wanted to post out today that until the time being, I'm taking funding ticks off from the supported prop firms. It seems like funding ticks are having some really bad things going on there. So unless they are not changing their retroactive rules and all that stupid thing that they are pulling off right now, I'm not recommending funding ticks right now. So what they just did, I think it's absolutely it's just going against, like, I would say ethics, especially with the retroactive rule changes. So actually I'm just pulling them off from the link list as well. I am not recommending funding ticks at the moment. If they will put back the old rules, that would be good. But until then, it's not good. They actually changed a lot of rules retroactively. For example, scalping rule. As far as I know, they now have the scalping rule that you have to hold a position, guess what, for at least 1 minute. 1 minute or more. The minimum holding time for a trade is minimum 1 minute. And any trade that has been held, yeah, too long trade, any trade that has been held below 1 minute is going to be erased, or that's a breach on the funded account, basically, or something like that. And they did this retroactively. They actually denied a bunch of payouts. They erased profits from a lot of accounts retroactively. And you know, and not just that, suddenly they moved everybody, like everybody they sent out an email who are waiting for their first payout. They moved everybody. They want to move everybody to a live account. Lots of red flags right now around funding ticks. I just can't, I don't know. I hope they will make it right, but for now, lots of red flags. Clarity, hello there. Son of Wall Street, what's up? Hey, good morning. Before a payout, funding ticks, they move you to live. Yeah. So they only move you to live for later, because obviously that's also cash flow issue. If they want to move you to live real quick. Not good. Not a good sign. Yeah, exactly, Clarity. They are definitely doing some fast track trading vibes there, and now people are waiting for payouts. It seems like they have a backlog as well, and it's not good. It's definitely not good at funding ticks. I really hope that they will get those things together. Currently, I am advising not to. Actually, I cannot give you advice, so I take it back. But I would not be getting new accounts with them anytime soon. Yeah, definitely, Martin. Like, MyFundedFutures billion%, and Lucid seems like they are coming up very strong. Let's not forget the fact, though, that Lucid is a fairly new prop firm. I mean, not that new, but new. And obviously, they are very popular. MyFundedFutures has proven many things in the past couple of years, and before that, even when Forex prop firm business was trending much better. So MyFundedFutures back in those years when they were MyFundedFX, they actually proved a lot. So Lucid is definitely a younger prop firm, but yeah, they're looking good. I prefer Lucid, stick around the TPT. Yeah, so MyFundedFutures, take profit trader, definitely put down a lot of things on the ground. Reputation is definitely high. APT and MyFundedFutures. And I know you guys hate Apex. I have no big issue or even small issue right now with Apex. Trade by the rules and you get paid out. That's it. So TRADEIFY is very good too. Yes, Justin, right? TRADEIFY also, by the way, only good things now I can say about TRADEIFY. Only good things. Very, very good things. Very trustworthy, loyal to their customers, doing everything what's right. Yeah, definitely good TRADEIFY. But I strongly advise everybody not to open an evaluation account or simulated account or simulated funded account with funding ticks, because what they're doing right now is very, very bad. Hey Tyrant, hey, what's up? What's happening? My trade is still on, though. I don't know for how long it's gonna go. It's a very small position, like 3 micros, but kind of watching for gold as well. Are we gonna have something on gold? I might gonna take a trade on gold too. Who knows? Add new ones after blowing them. So yeah, clarity. Then yeah, you now. I really hope, for the sake of traders and the community, that they're gonna make it right. But for now, you know. They are changing rules retroactively, and they are bringing in technically the stupidest rules that makes almost impossible to trade normally with them, and they are denying payouts. They're delayed very much on the payouts, and you know, all those things. Not good. Not good. Typically the red flags when a prop firm is going down, or before a prop firm goes down. They are not for scalpers. Yes. Yes. Well, basically what they did is they're saying we don't want scalpers because of the 1 minute rule. They don't want anyone to hold a position under 1 minute. If you're holding a position for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 50 seconds, you're breaching the account. Maybe Terry. So let's just wait out what's gonna happen, because maybe it means that it makes money for them. I don't know. By the way, does anybody has a Warbox account? Because my Warbox trading platform is acting up weird since yesterday. I don't see the other coins. I can't add coins to the list. I'm looking for my second payout at Warbox, and I still need to make a little bit extra. And I don't know, the platform just acting out weird. Hey, MHODs, that's funding ticks. Yeah. So underline, they are scaling. Yeah, I never trusted them. I didn't buy a single account with them. They did some stuff with their Forex drop. Yeah. They were in the Forex business earlier, or I think there is something happening with their Forex business now. That's funding ticks. So you mean it makes money for us? Yeah. For traders, yes. For them, not so much. That's why they don't really want those traders there. Buenos dias, Maria. Hello there. Terry the money printer. She actually has a printing machine at her home. And she prints money. I know you guys won't believe it. But it's true. Trust me, bro. One day. All right. Yeah. Exactly. In 1 minute, especially in the New York AM session, a lot of things can happen in 1 minute. And let's just face it, like, majority of the traders are holding the positions and trading for like 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 50 seconds because they just want to scalp the market for quick money. And that's like sort of normal. No, you know. So again, it just proves that, I mean, there's no guarantee. I mean, there's never a guarantee, but you just gotta stick with the big ones, the reputable ones, the biggest prop firms out there. And I really hope, I mean, anybody wants to make a bet if Project X is gonna go down today as well. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna make a bet with Nick later, but I really hope that TOMSABO is gonna fix that issue. It really gives them a bad reputation, and they are OG. So. Is she actually loading paper? Yes, that's what she does. Can you hold positions overnight with funding ticks? I don't know. I don't know, Martin. Also can control the market if you have a defined TP and it's under a minute. Yes. Yes. Stick with the OG or reputable one. Yeah. Even if it's a little bit pricier, but at least you will know that you're in good hands and you will get the payout and you don't have to worry about that. Nothing wrong with Project X currently. Like right now it's 726. Currently Project X is fine. But no troll, yeah, sorry. So, but obviously in the past 2 weeks they were down like 6 times. So in 2 calendar weeks Project X was down like 6 times, including yesterday. So you know, not the best thing to have, but I really hope they fix it. What do we have? Oh, market makers are calling. Just a second. Okay, the market makers are saying all is going to be good, but you got to be patient. Today is going to be all about patience. I've never heard anyone getting paid out on TPT or going down. Yeah, TPT is fine. TPT is perfect. Are you checking spot market trading futures because it helps? Spot market trading futures because helps me? You just thought. I mean, I'm definitely going to give an analysis if that's what you're asking. Hey, Lowe's, what's up? Yeah, sure. Let's check on gold. We talked about gold a little bit earlier. Not much is going on. Pretty much ranging. This is the 5-minute chart. There's no target, nothing here. And there's no zone that we can go with. Yeah, nothing. I checked for supply and demand zones to the left and everywhere. We are in a congestion area. The only thing we can look for is maybe the 1-hour chart, but look at that. Let's zoom out just a little bit, the 1 hour. We are in the middle of nowhere here. Like exactly in the middle of nowhere, almost. Like, where can we go? We need a big move, obviously. All-time high is there to the left. I would say if gold wants to move, then, well, there's liquidity here from yesterday's PM session. So why not? Why not go here? 43.74. We'll see. Unfortunately, not much to do with gold. And as for NQ, bit of a sloppy action here. Could go to the demand zone, supply zone. Maybe it's like a no trade area. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm sorry, Lozex, but the thing is not much to do with it right now. We have to wait for better price action. Trade is still on here, but I'm not sure I'm liking it. I was waiting for a short on gold too. Come on, go down a little bit. Just a little bit. It's easy. Just go. Super easy. Just go down, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I took off a partial. Putting it to break even. And that's it. And that's it. How far can this? I mean, it should be dropping. Let me check it again. So we have that 5-minute demand zone lower. There's one thing I can do here. I could actually go for like 268 all the way down there. I'm moving my TP. I highly doubt that this is going to waterfall down, but just for fun, why not? Should I do that? Yeah, I should. Okay, let's move the stop. Let's play that game. All right. Let's try to take the 70s down there. I don't think it will go there right away. Let's trail it. Okay. Okay, what is happening? Immediately starts going. Yeah, that what usually happens. Usually that happens a lot. Yeah, this price action is definitely it's not the one. It's not the one that we were looking for. Well, I guess this is what we get in sometimes in early. I mean, we do used to get some real good trades in the early New York AM session. This is Vegas, yeah. Three micros long on gold. Let's see. All right. Let's look to the left. Okay, looking for some possible targets, but anyway, good luck with that trade. Yeah, it seems like that the gold trade is kind of working out. I mean, my indicator tells me that, yeah, we could take a long position on gold. Should I do that? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Gotta be careful with that, though. Let's see. Well, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, you know. 20 bucks is money, is profit. Okay, so far NQ looks good. I tell you, if we go down to 300 or lower, I'm gonna move my stop to somewhere around here. But until then, let's just wait a little bit more. $15 minutes to go until 8. Triple witching. Let's go. We'll see. 302 is 50% of today's range. Oh, okay. 302. Well, I took partials on this, so Yeah, I think nobody really likes it. Nobody likes it. It's just... it's unpredictable. Until we're seeing this sloppy action here, the sloppy price action, it could be an issue. Anyway, I'll be right back. I have to check something. I'll be right back. Smash the like, subscribe. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, we're back. We are back like we never gone anywhere. What is going on? What is happening? How are the trades? Or any trade? I think we're still in the trade, right? Oh, we are. Look at that. Okay, let's move the stop a little bit lower. Okay, that's better. We should be getting that demand zone down there, right? I'll be back. Yeah, we're back. Sorry. I have so many things to do and I always behind schedule. Trade is looking good. Jasmine, hello there. What's up? All right. Still looking good. I'll put on this in the 65, 65. I'm going to bring down my TP. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. No, I'm okay here. 71 is good for me. Gold is acting weird again. Come on. Let's smash that TP. Come on, let's hit that TP finally. We need that TP. Come on. Hey, K-Bell, what's up? Welcome. Well, not good. Is there any update today on funding ticks? I haven't checked it in the last couple of hours. Is there anything new? Because so far, I don't like these rule changes. Yeah, so the 1 minute rule, the retroactive changes, I actually took them off from my affiliate list for now. And I took their banner off as well. I really don't like the way they're handling the business. Especially, you know, if they're doing it, why retroactively? Like, they should have done it retroactively. That's definitely a red flag, a huge red flag. So if they're not changing it back, then I might as well just gonna say no, but thank you, but no. Yes, near London low. Oh my gosh, look at this bounce. FSP. Who is FSP? Yeah, I said that earlier. I can't recommend funding ticks right now. Oh, Future Scalper. I don't know him. Or maybe I know him. Hold on. I think I know him. But yeah, so what I can tell is I'm not recommending them until the time being. If they change things back as they were, that would be great. But if they don't do it, you know, I just can't. I'm in a short, but I already took partials up here and I left a runner, so I have secured some profit at 306. So I'm okay. This is just a runner with 1 micro. So I already took off my profits. Yeah, exactly. Daily day trader. Yeah, day trade. Yeah, they did that. So if they put the old rules back, then all right. But if they're gonna leave it at that, I don't know. I think today is the biggest question. Is Project X gonna be down today as well? But I think it's not gonna be down since it's not CPI day. So everybody keeps asking if Project X is gonna be down today too. I mean, not everybody, but got a couple of questions. It's up currently. All right. Well, I hope that it's fixed. I hope that they did the best they could. It's very bad for many traders with them. If they don't make it back as they were, I think they're pretty much going to be very unpopular and may go down very fast. So I mean, at least in the futures business, I don't know how they're doing with the Forex space, but I really hope that they will change it back as they were. Well, it seems like my stop is gonna get hit at 306. I thought we're gonna go down to that demand zone, but hey, we secured some profits. We took partials as well, so I'm okay. It's only news if Project X is working. Yeah. Yeah, the next news is gonna be when Project X is working. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So when there's volatility, Project X can't handle it. It just can't. And because there's no news today, who knows if there's going to be any volatility or whatever. Then you know. Okay, gold started to move higher. It seems like this position is gone. Gold is slowly moving. Okay. I'm out, but I made profit, so this was a good one. Gold slowly pushing it. Let's wait and see. You know, the funny thing is that on the 5 minute, there is a possible entry here. If anyone wants to go short, well, then here's the fair value gap. I'm not gonna go short. I made some good profit on this one. I'm okay. Yeah. Sure. Quick question. Personally, I traded my own money and was able to flip 100 to 1K. Why so many use prop firms? It's easier to trade or you can risk more? I would say you can risk less, maybe, but I'm not saying it's easier to trade. If you can flip $100 to $1,000 multiple times, then I would say stick with that strategy. That's absolutely a great thing. I don't know. I mean, definitely you don't want to risk your own money. That's the whole purpose of prop firms, right? The leverage, yes, exactly. So what you are purchasing with the prop firm, what you are paying for is buying power. That is what you're paying for. So forget about the shiny 150K accounts or 50K accounts, or, you know, especially like when someone is saying, I'm managing $1 million in capital. That's bullshit. I'm sorry. But what you're purchasing is basically buying power. Leverage is what you're paying for. And so when you purchase a 50K account and you get the funded account, most of the time, depends on which prop firm, you're managing like $2,000 or $2,500. And you're getting more leverage than you could get with a brokerage account on your own name. So why would you risk your own money? Instead, like, you can just have a funded account. Even if you buy an instant funded account, imagine this. If you buy an instant funded account for like $300 or $400, you are purchasing a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, usually, like depending on which payout structure you're going with. But like, you pay for $300-400 and you reach the safety net and you withdraw the money, so the reward on risk is definitely above 1-to-2 and higher. You know, with buying power behind you, you can easily take out $1,000 to $2,000 from many of these prop firms. I mean, from those prop firms, even if you purchase an instant funded account. Not to mention if you're able to pass an evaluation account, right? So the reward over investment, or ROI, is definitely higher with the prop firm, depending on your skills, of course. So me personally, the 10x my money. There you go. Let's go. That's it. There you go. $67, you 10x your money. Exactly. I mean, they take money from you because you purchase the account, right? You purchase the account. So worst case scenario, you blow up the account and your money is gone that you purchased the account for, right? So I don't know. For example, you purchase an evaluation account with no activation fee, MyFundedFutures, $77. You pass the account, you get the funded account. And obviously, you can easily 10x your money. You can easily make like a, I don't know, $700 withdrawal or $800 withdrawal from a core account. Easy. I mean, technically easy. Sounds easy. And that's like 10xing your initial $77. Victor, hello there. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Good to have you here on the stream. Yeah, there are some good deals all the time with these prop firms. Yeah, it's just the first payout. Exactly, Anginka. Yeah. Brian, hello. Brian O'Donnell, welcome. The magic on prop firm is the ability to copy trade multiple accounts. Oh yeah, that's when the real leverage comes into place. Okay, just a second here. Okay, nothing. Yeah, that's when the real magic happens. If you keep it for 10 plus years. Oh yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, a bit of a pullback here on gold. Yeah. So general rule is no. Yeah, that's a major thing. So no overnight holding. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, if you I'm not saying it's a thing you must do. It's just a bit of an extra perk and feature. Yeah, if you're brand new with prop firms, definitely do not go with intraday trailing. It could mess you up a little bit. End of day trailing would be better. All right. Gold is still pulling back. Actually, no, it's not pulling back. It's going back up there. Do we have any news at 8:30? I don't think we do. Okay, Canadian news and FOMC member Williams is going to speak. Okay. Yeah, there's going to be home sales, existing home sales, and University of Michigan revised sentiment. ECF number, yeah. They're definitely not good. These new rules are not something we like. Okay, NQ is still holding the area. Not much through, guys. I mean, I was hoping for more. I mean, we had a nice trade there, but that's so far everything. Gold is pushing. In 50, yeah, core PC. Okay. Core PC. Core retail sales. That's Canadian, right? Core retail sales, FOMC member. Nothing. I mean, that's all I see. These are Canadian news, right? The only... Oh, investing. Oh, investing.com. All right. Okay. Yeah, they are good. They're good. And not much is going on. Really. Not much. NQ is so far holding. I don't know. I have no intention to trade this right now, really. I don't want to touch my funded today. Can you recommend any account for me to get day trade? Yeah, sure. I mean, if it doesn't bother you to go intraday trailing, then I would say cheap upfront cost, and you want to blow the steam off, then go with Bulenox or Apex. Cheap upfront cost, 91% off with Bulenox rhythmic connection. Just an idea. Or if you don't want that, then, well, you know, there's always a core account at MyFundedFutures or Take Profit Trader, but that's, well, a little bit more expensive, not a big deal, but depends on, you know, how you want to proceed. If you want the really cheapest upfront cost, then yeah, Bulenox or Funded Futures Network, you know, try them out. $75, all in 2 accounts. Oh yeah, that typically happens a lot of the time, Anginka. Yeah, that happens a lot. I mean, I did see some people doing that, and it was you know, more popular years ago because everybody thought that this is how easy to make money. The cheapest is paper trade. That's true. But the problem with paper trading, actually, it's not a big problem, but if you have a bit of a skin in the game, then you have that extra pressure. It's not a pressure, but you know, that extra feeling that is also a part of the decision-making process, because you're taking a completely different decision on a paper trading account than what you would have taken on an account that you have a little bit of a money in. You know, you take that just a little bit more seriously than a paper trading account. So YouTube down? Oh no. Are we down? That's not good. Oh wow. Is YouTube really down? Chat was down. Oh no. That is not good. On my end, it seemed to be okay for now. Partially, I think. Okay. Yeah, I checked it. It works. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. There's no position that I will take. And honestly, with you guys, I'm a little bit tired. I don't know why. Coffee is not helping me today. But I'm going to be... I gotta prepare for my funded TV. So anyway, I have to make a few phone calls too. I'll be here next week on Monday, I think. Yes, so everything is gonna be awesome. If I don't see you guys, then I wish you everybody a great weekend. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. As usual, I'm very grateful and highly appreciate you guys supporting. And if you want to see me today, I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 37 minutes. So thank you for watching. It's slow pre-market right now, or not pre-market, but early market. So let's see what happens later. All right. So if I don't see you guys, I'll be here next week as well from Monday, London and New York. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. All right. See you guys on the flip side. God bless.